Hey plant lovers, want to turn your garden into a tropical paradise? In this video, we're showing you 10 stunning tropical flowering plants that will give your garden an exotic, vibrant feel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get blooming. 10. Bird of Paradise. Named for its shape that resembles a flying bird, the bird of paradise is one of the most iconic tropical flowers. Its bright orange and blue petals make a bold statement. It loves full sun and well-drained soil. Add it to your garden for that instant tropical wow factor. 9. Hibiscus. The hibiscus is a tropical must-have. These large, vibrant blooms come in colors like red, pink, yellow, and even lavender. They attract butterflies and hummingbirds. Best of all, they bloom almost year-round. 8. Heliconia, or lobster claw. Heliconias are known for their striking claw-like flowers. They're tall, dramatic, and perfect for tropical backdrops. They thrive in humid, partly shaded areas. If you want that jungle vibe, this one's for you. 7. Plumeria. Frangipani, or plumeria, is a fragrant flower often used in Hawaiian leis. Its scent intensifies in the evening, perfect for night gardens. It blooms in pastel pinks, whites, and yellows. Beautiful, calming, and romantic. 6. Bougainvillea. Want non-stop color? Bougainvillea delivers. Its vibrant paper-like bracts come in pink, orange, red, and purple. This tough climber thrives in dry, sunny spots, ideal for fences, trellises, or even hanging baskets. 5. Passion flower, or passiflora. This one's for the bold gardeners. Passion flower looks like something from outer space. It climbs like a vine and attracts butterflies. And yes, some varieties even produce passion fruit. Definitely a conversation starter. 4. Torch ginger. Talk about a tropical showstopper. Torch ginger can grow up to 15 feet tall. Its bright red or pink cone-shaped flower is just stunning. It loves rich soil and humidity. Perfect as a bold centerpiece in your garden. 3. Angel's trumpet. Angel's trumpet is as dramatic as it gets. These hanging trumpet-shaped blooms release a sweet scent at night. They come in dreamy shades of white, peach, and yellow. But be warned, they're toxic, so plant with care. Number 2. Red ginger. Red ginger adds vertical interest and a splash of color. Its bright red spikes and green leaves scream tropical. It thrives in moist, shaded areas. Plus, it's perfect for fresh-cut flower arrangements. 1. Orchid. Orchids are the queens of tropical elegance. With thousands of species, you'll never run out of shapes, sizes, or colors. Some grow in pots, others attached to trees. Super versatile. If you want a garden full of mystery and beauty, orchids are your best bet. So which of these tropical beauties would you love to grow? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tropical garden tour, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more botanical inspiration. Thanks for watching. Stay blooming.